Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. We just heard some glimpse of what the upcoming Apple iPhone SE 4 will be. The current third generation iPhone SE is Apple's smallest device, modeled after the iPhone 8. It measures in at 4.7 inches, and it is the only iPhone that includes thick bezels and a Touch ID home button. That's rumored to be changing with the next iPhone SE update, with rumors indicating that Apple has a new design planned. The fourth generation iPhone SE will feature an all-display design like Apple's flagship iPhone lineup, with Apple eliminating the Touch ID home button in favor of Face ID. The next iPhone SE is expected to look similar to the iPhone 14, featuring a notch with Face ID biometric authentication instead of a Touch ID home button. With the iPhone 15 lineup, Apple transitioned to USB-C instead of Lightning, and the iPhone SE 4 is also expected to include a USB-C port. While the iPhone 14 has a dual-lens camera, the iPhone SE 4 will include a single-lens camera to keep costs down, but it could have the 48-megapixel main lens used in the iPhone 15. While rumors have suggested that the iPhone SE 4 will have a design modeled after the iPhone 14, Apple is expected to use the same rear chassis manufacturing process for the SE 4 that it used for the iPhone 16. Apple may also add a multifunction action button to the iPhone SE, replacing the mute switch. An action button first came to the iPhone 15 Pro models, but by the time the iPhone SE 4 is ready to launch. If the iPhone SE is modeled after the iPhone 14 as rumored, then it will include a 6.1-inch display. The iPhone SE is the last remaining iPhone that has an LCD display, and other iPhones in Apple's lineup are equipped with OLED. Apple has used all OLED technology for flagship iPhones since the iPhone 12. The iPhone SE 4 is expected to include a single-lens rear camera, but it will reportedly be upgraded to a 48-megapixel camera. The current iPhone SE has a 12-megapixel camera. Renders said to feature the iPhone SE confirm rumors of an iPhone 14-style design. The device in the renders features a 6.1-inch display with a standard Face ID notch, plus the chassis has flat edges and a USB-C port. There is a single-lens camera at the back. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.